Hey everyone, so this is that 4720 fast brand sprayer. It has a 1,500 gallon tank on it. You've got your on-off boom controls. It's got the, this one has the left wing, right wing swing, as well as the on-off shutoffs for your solenoids. And then you've got your Raven sprayer controller. Comes with it, so you got both your controllers to come along with it. Heavy duty front mount jack, all your hydraulics, your safety chains are here, your lights. I measured it out. These are 80-foot booms, so you've got your wing that folds that way, and then your top wing that flips down. You got the breakaway boom out on the end. You're getting a second set of axles. These are if you want to set it to 30-inch rows. It is currently set up for 36-inch rows. And did you notice? Brand new rubber. Both tires are brand new replaced. As far as the boom goes, this is the only patch spot, make sure to look at my pictures, that I had seen. Other than that, everything looks good. All new solenoids were put on. Again, brand new tire, 36-inch rows is what it's set up for right now. I didn't see any patch spots on this boom. Looks absolutely good to me. You do got your transport pins to lock the booms down. Your fold-away ladder. Again, nice 1,500 gallon tank. Last time they used it, guys, it worked just fine. They parked it in the shed. They pulled it out of the shed here this coming spring, and they're just going to sell it. It's taking up room in the shop. They hire all their spraying done, but 4720, 80-foot boom. Nice sprayer, guys.